Okay, Skydio is ready. Okay, Skydio is now ready to go. I'm now testing the microphone from the cell phone. Can you hear me okay? I want to see if you can hear me okay. Right now I'm using the microphone from the cell phone and I'm not using the Go Mic mobile at all. So now this is a test. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is a test, and right now I'm not using the new mic at all, the external mic. And now I'm going to turn on the external mic. Power on the Go Mic mobile and power on. Okay, so now I'm going to plug in the external mic. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right now I'm talking with the clip-on mic. Can you hear me loud and clear? This is the test. I'm testing the clip-on mic to see if you can hear me with the clip-on mic okay. So now I'm going to place my cell phone right here, and then I'm going to walk away from it. I'm going to walk far away from my cell phone. Look again here. My cell phone is right here, and now I'm going to walk away from it without my cell phone. I want to see how clear I can talk with the external mic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, now I'm going to walk to my cell phone. All right. Now I'm going to turn off the external mic. Okay, this is channel 1. Can you hear me? This is a test. Right now I am speaking near my cell phone here. Can you see? And now this is the test. And I want to see if I can talk to you using the external mic without the cell phone. Can you hear me? Testing, testing. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Testing. Can you hear me? All right, and now I'm going to walk to my cell phone. And now I'm going to use 2 different external mic. Okay, now channel 1 and channel 2 are on. So this is a test. Now I'm speaking to Skydio using both the channel 1 and channel 2. I don't know what this is called. This is the clip-on mic and this is the handheld mic, okay? Testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, 1, 2, 3. Can you hear me? Testing, 1, 2, 3. And now I'm going to turn off the handheld mic first. Turn it off. I think it's off. So now I'm speaking only using the clip-on mic. I'm walking around using the clip-on mic only. I'm standing near my cell phone here. And now I'm going to walk away from it. Walking away, walking away. Can you hear me now? Right now I'm using the clip-on mic. Can you hear me now? Testing, testing. Okay. And now I'm going to walk back to my cell phone and I'm going to turn off the external mic. Okay, I now am using the cell phone to do recording. So I want to see if you can still hear me. And this is the end of the test. All right.